So this is a how-to guide on how to adjust the end time displayed on your washing machine. Basically, if you turn it on to any program, you'll find that the display displays 2 times. The top time is the wash cycle itself. So this cycle is going to be 2 hours 15 long. And the bottom is if I start it now, what time the machine will finish the cycle at. But if this is wrong, you need to change it, and indeed it is. We have gone into British summertime, so we're now 1 hour behind of what that says. So to adjust it, go into options, press down, scroll down to settings, scroll down to time, press OK. Now press the up and down arrows to change the time. We need to scroll on time, and if you hit the button and press, it goes up in 10-minute steps. Press it once, without holding, it goes up in 1-minute steps. It's now, if I just check the actual time, 21:54. Again, annoyingly. Now what you don't want to select is end time. This is actually the delay end, not the actual time for the display. Settings, time, wait until it flashes, and we want 21:54. Press OK. It stops flashing. Now you can go back. And the correct end time will display. So if I start the cycle now, it's 2 hours 15 long. It's 21:55, 54:55, and it will end at 9 minutes / 10 minutes past 12 at night. So there you are. That is how to adjust the time settings on your Electrolux Time Manager washing machine. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.